are still in vehicle, and window needs to be rolled down right now. So I'm gonna roll down the window.
Steenson is gonna provide the music.
Yeah, Steenson, what are you gonna sing for us today? What's your favorite song right now?
Sweet Home Alabama.
Jukebox Hero.
Sing it! Jukebox Hero! Is that how it goes? Something like that?
Jukebox Hero. Stars in his eyes.
Sing it loud and proud.
Go on, Steenson, sing it!
I can't remember the words.
Well, pick a song you actually know.
I'm thinking. Just wait.
You know Friday, we were about to sing it earlier. Come on. 7 a.m. You have to sound all nasally too. You have to like plug your nose and do it. 7 a.m. waking up in the morning.
7 a.m. we're waking up in the morning.
Time to get fresh.
Get fresh. We gotta get downstairs. We're gonna have
No, you gotta put more Mrs. Okamira into that. She sounds exactly like that.
What thing can I take?
Or if you know Adrian Mashmeyer.
Now you do Friday. Partying, partying, yeah! Partying.
Ask Caitlin.
Fun.
Party in the front.
Can you do any animal noises back there? Can you imitate your favorite animal?
So, getting the voice there, eh?
What's your favorite animal?
I don't have a favorite animal.
You don't?
Dog.
Okay, imitate a dog.
Woof woof. Woof woof woof.
Sean, what's your favorite animal?
Bear.
Imitate a
It's not my
bear.
favorite.
Imitate a bear.
It's gonna come kind of like Chewbacca.
Okay, do it.
So,
Do it.
what's that? No,
Is it my turn? Is it my turn to imitate an animal?
What's your favorite animal?
Okay.
sorry.
I like llamas. But you know why?
Why?
Because I relate to them the most.
Oh, really?
Because I have a long neck, and I look weird, and I act weird, and I spit and drool. I drool in my sleep.
What do they sound like?
I don't even know. What sound does a llama make? Or, yeah, what kind?
I think it's kind of like a sheep.
Like,
Yeah, kind of like that. I mean, but it's with the L, so it's like.
and then I can drool. That was really gross. I just showed some spit into the camera. Yeah, we'll never do that again. Anyways, I think we are at our location, which is secret, so I can't tell you where we are. Ow. We shall go. This is like 3 minutes long now. Bye, Steenson. We love you. Sean, say bye.
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 I love you too.
Adios.